Hello friends, welcome. So now let us take a look at find and replace in Excel. As you will be working through Excel, you might require to find the certain data within the Excel, or you might require to replace certain cell content within the Excel. So let's check out. In order to find and replace, all you have to do is simply go in the Homes tab in the ribbon, and you have to click on this option, that is find and select. So now let's check out what are the sub options inside find and select. The first option is find. The shortcut for find is Control F. Next is the replace option. The shortcut is Control H. Then we have go to option. In go to option, that is, if we click, we can enter the cell destination and we can reach out to that particular cell. Go to special, that is, we can reach out to cell which has a specific formula, comment, conditional formatting, constant, or data validation. On basis of this, we can reach out to that particular cell. Select object and selection pane. Now what are those? If I click on select object, you can see I am not able to select any of the cell even if I am trying to, but I am able to select these two objects within the Excel area. I go back and uncheck the select objects, and I click on selection pane, and you can see the list of objects is available here. Okay. So now let us check what is the find and replace option. So you can press Ctrl F, or you can directly click on this option. Once you click on find or replace option, you will get this dialog box. This will help you to either find or replace certain cell content within the Excel. So now I am giving you a scenario. Let's take for suppose there are red grams, black grams, green and white grams. So I want to highlight all the grams in this list, and there is one more criteria, that I don't want to highlight the black grams. Rest I want to highlight, that is, in throughout this list except black grams, I want to highlight all the grams. So now let's see how we can do. We will go in the options. Once I click on the options, it will give us some more sub options, that is, we can find or place within this sheet, this particular sheet or workbook. You can search by rows or by columns. You can look in for certain formulas, etc. Or you can match the case, that is, we can match a certain case or entire cell content. So let's see how we can make the changes. For that, I am typing grams, and now I will replace grams with grams but formatted. So I click on format and I change the format to certain this thing font. I make it bold, and I select red color. So here you can see the preview available over here. Whatever cell which has grams will be highlighted in this way. So let's replace, and it has replaced. And now we don't have to highlight the black grams, so we will click on find next, and it has found green gram. So I will click on simply replace, and we are done. So this way you can replace the cell content or highlight or find certain option within the Excel. One more example I give you. You can see the units over here. I want to replace all the units with 3 to 7, and I also wanted to highlight them. So what I do is I simply select the range and give here the option what I am searching for, that is 3, and I am replacing it by 7. So I remove this by simply clicking on clear, and it will clear the previous format. You can see here, and now I am putting the new format. I click on format, I click on fill, and this is the color. So you can see the preview. I click on replace all. When I click on replace all, it will replace all the trees in the selected range. Let's see. Yes, Excel has completed its search and it has made 5 replacements. So you can see this way we can search and replace the cell content or information within Excel. And we move on to our next tutorial.